Asuntosköytti ja Lahden portin pieli.
This is very nice today on the 18th of June 2023. This is Vesijärvenkatu 23 Stekens B. We filmed that. The Stekens A. We filmed the Stekens B here, and you calculate the 6. I filmed the Stekens C, and I need to film it later.
Yeah.
It was built in the beginning of 1998. Turned 25 years old this year in 2023 with 4 floors. And the number is B1E2410. It will be inspected the next year, 2024. Let's get 2 runs here. Fast and efficient for 4 floors. No, but this feels like a 10 years old. I just finished 10 years late.
Is the bike device maintained by Otis or nowadays practice?
Maybe they had planned it 10 years earlier, but that there were problems maybe with the aerial here.
That's
Thank you very much.